let's talk about how to keep fruit flies out of your worm bin. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. Here are 4 ways to control those pesky fruit flies. Number 1 is always freeze and thaw your food scraps, because when you do that, that will kill any eggs that fruit flies have laid on those food scraps. So always freeze and thaw your food scraps. Number 2, you can make yourself a fruit fly trap by getting a cup or something, filling it up with some apple cider vinegar, adding a few drops of dish soap to it, and that way the fruit flies will be attracted to that apple cider vinegar smell, go inside of that cup or that bait system, and since it has the soap, they will not be able to fly. It will stick to their wings, and they will be stuck in there and they will drown. And always replace your bait materials about every 3 or 4 days to keep it fresh until you eliminate your fruit flies. Another thing you can do is get yourself a cotton ball, apply a few drops of peppermint oil, because fruit flies do not like the fragrance of peppermint oil, and apply that around your worm bins, but don't place that inside of your worm bin, and that can help you to reduce the fruit flies. And another thing that you can use is some lavender essential oils, because fruit flies do not like the fragrance of lavender. So once again, get a cotton ball, apply some lavender oil to it, saturate it, and apply it around your worm bins, and that will help to eliminate the fruit fly problems. So what is your method on controlling fruit flies? Leave it in the comments box below. But here's another video. I want to say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and you have a great day. Bye.